Dear students, welcome you all. Today we are going to solve one problem in Lamèche theorem. Before going to solve the problem in Lamèche theorem, I wish to explain two topics. One is free body diagram. What is free body diagram? Free body diagram is nothing but a sketch of the particle or body isolated from the surrounding and represents all the forces acting on it. For example, a ball of weight W resting on a horizontal floor. A ball of weight W resting on a horizontal floor, supported by a string on a vertical wall. Inclination of string with horizontal theta. Now, the free body diagram of this force system. First, isolate the main body from the surrounding. Which one is the main body? In this case, ball. So, isolate the body from the surrounding. And represents all the forces acting on it. So weight of the ball W, due to the weight of the ball on the horizontal floor, reaction opposite direction, or tension in the string with inclination theta. Okay, now the free body diagram is over. Now convert this free body diagram into line diagram. How to convert it into line diagram? Remove the body. Just to draw the line diagram. W R tension in the string with inclination theta. So this concept, this topic, or this concept, very important throughout all the units in engineering mechanics. Free body diagram concept, very important. A particle or body isolated from the surrounding and represents all the forces acting on it. So isolate the main body of ball of weight W. What are the forces acting on that ball? Weight of the ball, reaction opposite direction, and tension in the string T at inclination with horizontal theta. Now convert the FBD, free body diagram, into line diagram. Remove the ball, weight of the ball, reaction, tension in the string, inclination with horizontal theta. Okay. Next important one, principle of transmissibility. It is also an important topic, principle of transmissibility. A force acting on a body shifted to any other point which is on the same line of action, then the external effect of the force on the body remains unchanged. That is principle of transmissibility. For example, a rectangular block force F act on the rectangular block at point A. At point A. Okay. This force shifted to point B. Shifted to point B along the same line of action. Same line of action on the body. The force is same. F. Force is same, but the position from first initially the force F act on the body at point A. Now the same object, the force shifted to another point at point B, but the line of action of the force same line of action. Now as per the principle of transmissibility, the external effect of the force on the body in first case and second case both are same, that is remains unchanged. If the force acting on the body shifted to another one point, same object, another one point, C, another one point, C. Now the external effect of the force on the body remains unchanged. The object is same. Force acting in first case, force acting at a point A. Same object in second case, same line of action, the force F act at a point B. Third case, the same force, same object act at a point C. But all the four cases, the force F act at the same line of action. Now, in three cases, the external effect of the force on the body remains unchanged, equal. That is principle of transmissibility. Okay, now come to the problem. This is also important in statics, important concept in statics. Okay, a smooth circular sphere weighing 200 Newton is lying in a triangular groove, one side of which makes 60 degree and the other 45 degree with the horizontal. Find the reactions at surfaces of contact if the groove is square. So first you got to draw the free body diagram. How to draw the free body diagram? How to draw? Isolate the body. Main body is sphere. So isolate the body from the surrounding first. Isolate the body from the surrounding. And represents all the forces acting on it. What are the forces acting on the groove? Weight of the groove 200 Newton. Weight of the groove 200 Newton. And the groove, sphere resting on the V groove at point A and B. So the reaction at point A, perpendicular to the resting surface, inclined surface. So this angle perpendicular, 90 degree. So in this triangle, inside the triangle, total angle 180. Already 90 over 45 over. So remaining 45 with horizontal. So the reaction at point A with horizontal (45 degree). Okay. Similarly, in this direction, reaction at B perpendicular with inclined surface, resting surface. So this one 90, 60. So remaining, so the remaining angle with inclination 30 degree. So 30 degree inclination with horizontal. Reaction at B, RB, 30 degree inclination with horizontal. Inclination with horizontal. Now the free body diagram is over. Now convert this free body diagram into line diagram. How to convert into line diagram? Remove the ball. So weight 200 Newton, weight of the sphere, and reaction at A. Now apply the principle of transmissibility. Apply the principle of transmissibility. A force acting at a point on the body shifted to any other point which is on the same line of action, then the external effect of the force remains unchanged. So RB shifted to this side. So RB, no change in the external effect of the force on the body. So RB with the horizontal 30 degree. RA, same, apply the same principle of transmissibility, shifted to this side. RA with the horizontal 45 degree. Okay, now apply the Lamèche theorem. Okay, apply the Lamèche theorem. What is Lamèche theorem? Three forces acting on a point or body in equilibrium, resting condition. The sphere on the V groove in resting condition. So apply the Lamèche theorem. Each force is directly proportional to the sine of the angle between other two forces. So RA divided by opposite angle, sine of opposite angle, 90 plus 30, 120, sine 120 equal to RB opposite angle, 90 plus 45, 135. So RB divided by sine 135. And the next 200 divided by sine 180 minus 75. So 105, sine 105. So 200 divided by sine 105. Okay, sine 105. Total 180 degree. 180 degree minus 75. 30 plus 45, 75. So 105. Now find the RA and RB value. RA equal to 200 divided by sine 105 into sine 120. Sine 120 equal to, by using calculator, scientific calculator, find the value. Similarly, RB equal to 200 divided by sine 105 into sine 135. Sine 135. Find the value by using calculator. Find the value by using calculator. RA equal to 179.3 Newton. RA equal to, RB equal to 146.4 Newton. 146.4 Newton. RA equal to 179.3 Newton. RB equal to 146.4 Newton. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical engineering lecture series. Thank you. Thank you very much.